Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys is doing absolutely great. Today, I want to share with you how to make this
professional flyer design.
jumping into this. Let's check the intro.
Diko graphic skills with creativity.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's dive into today's tutorial. Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome back to the graphic design training. I believe we're doing great today. This afternoon, I want to show you how you can make a professional business flyer on your Android smartphone without wasting much of our time. Let's do this thing quick. So we have to determine the size, as I do say. So the size I want to use is 2560 by 2560. So the width and the height must be the same. Then after that, we go and select the kind of background we want. So the background I want to use is this, you can see, and you can write down the color code. How can you do that? When you tap on this fake key bucket, color bucket, then you can see the color code here. That is 312A56. 312A56. Tap it and click OK. Then you click on the color bucket second color bucket. When you tap on it, click on this color bucket, then you click on pencil and you see the color code. That is D67 by D6746D. D6746D. Then you have it, just type it, then automatically you get the two color. And it must be under the gradient you are going to combine that. After that, we have to go to our gallery right now, bring an overlay. So we're coming here, we need an overlay to position so that everything will plumb. So this is the overlay I want to use. So you position it there just to make it cool. Then you go to the relative size to position to the center very well. You lock it. Now we'll go back to gallery. We import other things that we needed. For instance, bring the wristwatch. Since this is the one we want to advertise, then we'll look for the shadow if possible. Well, let's bring this first. We should be here. It's cool like this. Let's reduce it small. Then we'll reposition after making it that way. Let reposition, then you lock it. Now go back to your gallery. Then let's bring other elements one after the other. Take it for instance, we'll bring this position here. Just lock it. Go back to gallery. Bring this. Use the dot icon. Then we'll lock it. We'll go back to gallery. We'll bring this. The frame where we want to write something. Position here. Then we'll bring second to the last. Just sorry. Lock this. Go back to gallery. Then you bring this. Click OK. Make it fit in. Then go back to gallery again. Then you bring sorry, we're going to lock this. You are going to be selecting them the shadow. This is what I wanted. Then you send it to the back. You can see, send it to the back. There should be after this. Let it go here. Have it lock as well. Then, as you can see, everything seems to be cool. Then the next thing we're going to do, let's put on all our write-up. We'll have a limited offer. Because everything you discover everything is just perfect. And certain as I'm just importing it is because I've already determined the size I want to use and I measure everything. The font I'm going to use here is called Black Sword. You can tap it on Google, then you'll see the results immediately. Then we'll position that here. Then after that, the next thing we're going to do, you can reduce the size depending on what you actually wanted. Then we're going to rotate. So let's rotate it small, just as this. Then we'll go back to gallery, to the font area where we tap let's say limited offer, or we have a Monday. Today is Monday. Then we'll go to the font area. We want to use let's use Archivo Black Regular. So it has to be positioned. There should be more spacing between them. So this should go up a bit, and this should follow. You must maintain alignment, and this is cool, right? So we're going to reduce the size maybe to 96, or let's say 100. After that, we copy. We're going to copy. Then we type, or let's say super, or let's say uh, uh, uh. So the next thing we're going to do, let's just edit this. Then we have a Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday. So the cyber will have to reduce the size to a bare minimal level. So this should be coming down a bit. Then we increase the size just as this. Then this should be reduced, and it has to be moved to this area. There should be space, but not much. Then you follow the alignment. This must be aligned properly. With shapes. Okay, just once. Then let it calm down a bit. Now here, one thing you will do is we need to use a texture. So go to the area here, we use the texture, just crop and you use it. Just repeat the same process. Sorry, we'll repeat the same process.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell
Just
icon.
click OK. Then we tap on the second one, we repeat the same process. Just as this. We click OK. So everything seems to be cool, right? So after that, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring the same thing come here, that particular shape. We'll reduce the size, then we'll have reposition here. Position it to the center, just as this. Then we'll copy. The spacing between them is enough. So we'll copy. Then we're going to type supercell. Supercell. Then we'll reduce the size to bare minimal level. Go to the color, or you change, cancel this. Don't forget to position to the center. Move it up a bit. Okay, everything seems to be cool, right? So the next thing is we are going to space. Let's space a bit. Then centralize back. Now that is up anyway. So now what we're going to do next, we're going to copy. Put 50% off. 50% off. Let it be in capital letter. Then we are going to position that here. But to make it more bolder, we are going to use Lexpata font. So we are going to position that here, and it must follow each other. Cancel this, centralize. Okay, cool. Now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to use the same font. Just put Ori for all items. Ori for all items, which you can see. Put it in capital letter. Reduce the font, or reduce the size, so that it can match. It can equivalent to this when you measure. Position to the center. Okay, cool. So space this a bit. Let there be space a bit. Okay, cool. Now it must be in line with this, so it's better with spaces as well. Then reposition to the center. Okay, cool. It's up like that. So the next thing we're going to do, we copy, then we'll put the phone number here. So we have 07034660781. So we're going to increase and position that here. Just make it small. We're going to reduce the size so that it can fit in. Okay, so position it well, just as this. Okay, everything seems to be cool, right? Let there be space in between. Okay, we reposition well. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we bring other item we needed here. Take it for instance, we are bringing this. Position it here, which need to be closer. Have it lock some. Then we type this free delivery already. So we need to copy, then we edit free home delivery. Free home delivery, which you can see. Then we click OK. We're going to bring it and manage it to be here. So we'll reduce the size anyway to something like 13. Then use your position to move it well. Another thing will still be here. Take it for instance, we copy. Then we'll put www.dikographic.com.ng. Okay, so .ng, then we click OK. Click OK. So we're going to position that here, which needs to be aligned properly. As you can see, we must be aligned properly. So it's just okay like this. So the one here, we can move it up a bit. Okay, everything seems to be cool. So we locate where we have this particular shape. So we're going to move it to come down. So let it come down small so that we can be able to arrange this and follow the hierarchical order. Okay, just arrange it well. You don't need to be lazy here when you are making your design, because as a graphic designer you have to be very creative and you need to know what you are doing, because if you are trying, you are rushing, you forfeit the
Don't
whole
forget
thing.
to hit the subscribe
When
button and the
something
bell
is
icon.
missing, the whole thing is faulty, because it will affect the whole design. Then put that, then copy any of this. So I have call to find out more.
Don't forget to hit the
To
subscribe button
find,
and the bell icon.
sorry,
Good day, guys.
call
Welcome back to Diko
to
Graphic Design Training.
find
Right now, the logo we just
out
made on our
more.
PixelLab, the medical logo. I want to show you right now. You
Okay,
can present
cool.
it on this
So
particular
now
mockup.
increase the
The
size a
mockup is
bit, have
amazing
it
but very
position.
technical to use.
Just let it
So I
close
would
to
like
this
to show
area,
you how you can
just
use
as
it
this.
and how
Then
you
you
can
can
make
measure,
your own
put this
design
here,
presentable on it.
measure from
So
here,
without wasting much of our
which you
time,
can
let's
see,
get
which
started.
means
Just go
you
into
are
your
going
Chrome
to
browser,
move this.
type
This
www.photopea.com,
shouldn't
then you
be.
load it. After
So
loading
we're
it, you
going
should be able
to, I
to
want to
see
centralize
this
the whole
particular
thing.
interface.
So
If you
make
don't
everything
know what to do,
centralized
just
here.
relax.
So like for
Tap
instance,
on
this
this
should
open
be
from
at the
computer,
middle
then you locate where you have
of
your mockup being
everything.
saved. Just
So
tap
and
on
we
it to
can we
import it to the
can just make it how we
Photopea
want,
website.
or we
After
will
you see
not
this
allow
result,
it to
after
move
it
beyond.
display loading,
So
then you
let it
should be
calm
watching at
down.
the screen of your phone until
Calm
when
down.
you are
So
able
it's
to
okay
see the
like this.
results, the
So
preview
this
of the
one need to
mockup.
be
That
reduced.
is
It
when you can
shouldn't
go on with the
more
editing.
than.
If nothing was shown,
So let it be
kindly
like
endeavor to
13.
be patient a little
Then we'll
while so
move
that
it.
you can see the
Yeah,
result,
cool.
and you can see this is the result. What
So
you need to
let's
do is
now
to tap on the
space.
layer and you
Then
double
we
click
can we can
the
add
design,
one
hide what
to
was
it.
there,
Then
then
move
you
it
go
back.
in, just tap here, you see. After tapping
Okay,
here, I
cool.
tap the second
So
one
the
because
car should
it's
be moved a
display in
little
two
bit
ways. So if you
so
tap
that I
on
can
this, at the end
be
of the
at
day
the
it won't
center
do
of
anything.
everything.
Just tap on this
But I'll
second one,
consider the
redran
space in
2022
between.
not
So
logo.psd.
let's
Now
just
go back to the
reduce.
layer and you
We'll
hide that
come
one too.
here. We'll make
Now
sure
click
we
on the
reduce
file,
this
click
as
open
well.
and place.
Let it calm
Click
down.
on file,
So we are
locate where you
making
have your
sense
design
anyway.
be saved.
So when you
So
look
for
at it, we are
instance, I'm
making
going to
sense.
my
So this
gallery,
is Cyber
locate where I have the
Parcels
PNG file,
Limited. Then we
then
have to
I'm
put
going
our
to
logo here.
import it.
So let's
After you import
do
it, one
something,
thing you are
go
going
to
to
the
do
logo.
is
We have
don't
what
do
we call
anything
a
there. You understand?
best. Just type
Don't do
best.
anything. Don't crop
So
it,
when you
because if
type
you
it
crop
best, you
it,
see
if you make
many
it
logo that will
enlarge,
come down. We
this
call it what
PSD
best
file
logo.
doesn't crop
So
your
from
work
here you can
automatically,
choose
unlike other
any
mockup.
logo of your
Even
choice.
if you
1, 2,
increase the
3,
size of your
4.
mockup,
So
of your
let's choose
design on the
number
layer
4.
on photo
So
P
I'm
with
thinking
other
of choose
mockup,
number 4, and
it will
that will be
automatically
T.
crop it for you
So
to
put
fit
on
in
T.
on the
Yes,
layer.
the logo
But
is
the
showcased.
story is
Then we'll
quite
position
different
it
from this
here.
particular mockup. As you lay
So
your
the
bed here,
brand
so
there,
shall you
how can we
sleep
cut
on
that?
it. Whatever
So we
you input
can
here, that is
increase the
how the
size.
output will come out.
Then I want to
I'm not
cut
I'm
out the
making grammar.
names. So go
What
to
I'm saying
the
is the way you place it here,
mask.
that is how the result will
Then
come
use
out.
your
I'm telling
mask
you
to
with an
cut it so
experience.
that
So you have
it
to
will
don't
just
just touch it
remain
immediately. You
look like
import your
acronyms.
design,
So
go
I
with
have
the file,
this.
and you click save
Then
with
I
smart
can
object. After tapping on
reposition
it,
to
be
the
looking at the
center
screen of your
like
phone.
we
In no
can
time, the result will display and your logo will be transformed.
virtual limit
We don't
charge.
need to do anything here.
Let's
You see
say
automatically it will retain the color and everything will be plumb. It's even
limit
having
charge.
a golden texture,
You can
which will
see
make it
how
okay.
I
But
form
this
that.
is not
Then
really
you have
washed
to reduce
with
the
this
size
particular
and make
color.
it
Although it's
position.
shown, but it's somehow
If
blunt,
possible, use the
which
same
I don't
font you
really
have been
like. I
using
will
right
show
from
you when
beginning,
the result display.
Archivo
Now,
Black.
when you see the
Then
smart
we
object updated,
centralize
tap
that
on this first
just as
one,
this. Then we
written
are
here,
going
logo
to
mockup, underscore,
reduce the
logo
size
underscore,
more,
mockup underscore, W
reduce the
something, which
size,
you can see
reposition to
the
the
end, the
center.
first one.
Don't let
Then be
there be
looking at the
too
screen
much
of your phone.
space.
In no time, everything
Okay,
will
then we
transform. You
can
see how
now
the result will
manage
display.
to merge
Then
the
you
two
can go on
together
if you
just
still
as this.
understand how to edit further.
Just merge
You
it.
can go on, edit to your own best of knowledge or to
Okay,
your own
after
taste
merging,
before you
then the
can
next thing we're going to
finally
do,
save the
we
result.
can give different color of
Look at
our
the
choice
results,
if we
as you can
actually
see.
want it.
Then you
So
click
we
here,
go here
go
and
to 3D,
let's say we want to give different color,
go to
and we can
3D
maintain that color
FX.
as well. Tap
Saying
on
you can
this,
see the
choose a
results
color of
in
your
no time.
choice.
Then this one
Let's
is
take it
telling
for
us to
instance, we
name,
choose
just
something of
add
this nature.
or
Then
put the
we
name
come
of the
here, we choose
design.
another
Maybe
color
for instance,
of
the brand name
nature.
Medical Plus. If you
Take
want
it
to
for
edit
instance,
it,
we
but I'm
choose
not
this. We click on
editing
plus
anything.
sign
So
to
now what
get
I'm
more
showing
color.
you, just tap
So
on
we
this
could tap
normal,
on
click
here,
on
then we
dissolve,
click another color,
tap on the
something
normal
like
again.
this.
Then you go
Then
to,
we still
let's
go
look at the
further, or
logo
we just click
FX.
OK.
You see
Then we
the
look at
logo
it whether it can
FX.
work. If it can work, we can
You
just
can
make
see it,
everything to be
logo
white.
FX.
So that should be okay. So
Or you go
now this will
to,
be here. Then we can now
let's look
measure
at
at
this.
this level. Sorry,
We tap on this. I want us
we
to see
can
whether we
measure
can
the whole
edit
thing.
further. Or we tap on this,
Click
you see the
here,
gradient fill,
which you can
logo
see.
FX. You
After
can
clicking
see
there, tap here, then you use this as a kind of a
we
demarcation.
can hide anything
Then you
there.
can be able to
Inner
measure.
shadow, gradient
So you
overlay.
look
Let's
at it
check.
properly.
If we hide
So
it,
here
let's see how it display. Then you
we are
can look
going
at it
to
after
just
hiding the
position the whole
gradient
thing
overlay.
as you can see.
Let's look at the
So
result. You
we are
can see
going
the
to
logo is
move
very clean
this or
now
reduce the
and
size.
everything is awesome.
Something like
So this is just a simple, and what
let's
I
say
did is just
13.
I click on the FX logo, which you can see. Then I go down to this
So
gradient
reduce it
overlay,
to
just click on it and see what the
11.
result will be.
Move
Then you
it
can see the
in
result very clean.
just as
You
this.
can return it if you don't want it.
Move it
Then let's
in.
look at it
Then we
after
come
clicking
here,
on it when it's
or
displayed.
let's just
Then you
leave
can
it
look
that
at
way.
it. If you want it to
Then
be
we can
lighter
now
more, you tap on
strategize.
that and it's cool. And if you want to
How
just
to
change
place
this
our
to
own
let's
road.
say
So the logo should just be tiny and
lighting.
should be positioned
Let's
around
look
there,
at it
just
after
simple.
changing to
So
lighting.
let it be
So it's
tiny.
somehow
So
okay
it
like
should be
this,
around
very
there.
good.
Then it's cool
Or
like that. So
let's
the
change
next
it
thing
to
we're going to
normal
do, cancel this.
or darken.
So here
Darken should
we're
be
going
okay.
to make it just
Yeah.
go in.
So now everything is
Let
actually
it go
plumb.
in, or
Click
we
on the
reduce the
file,
size
locate where you have
properly.
export as PNG. Then the
Then
result
reduce
is
it to
done.
11. So 11 should be okay.
Okay, saved.
Then move it to this
Download.
side, let it
Let's view
calm
the
down.
result now.
So it's okay like this,
Yeah.
cool.
You can
So
look
the
at
next
it.
thing we're
Look
going
at
to
the
do when
result.
you look at the two
Very
sides,
cool and very
we need
clean.
to shift
Thanks for
this
watching.
a
I believe
little
we'll
bit.
learn something from here. God bless you.
We'll shift it back just a bit. Okay, very cool. Now that particular shape needs to be moved to make it a rhyme. Okay, cool. So the next thing we're going to do, we just copy and we'll put order now. Order now. Then we are going to increase the size, bring it down to position here, still reduce the size. Okay, then we'll position it very well inside it. Then we're good to go. Everything is plumb. Okay, cool. So this is just a simple way on how you can come up with amazing design, just as perfect as this. Then you can go back to the shadow, apply the shadow of your choice, reduce the opacity, reduce the blur radius. Then you can go to offset Y, increase it to 4, reduce this. Then you'll be able to have the result exactly like this. Then you can do the same thing to sidebar as well, just to make everything perfect. We'll make it perfect just as this. Then you increase this to something like 4. So everything will seem to be cool as you can see. So we reduce the size to 14. Then we can cross check this as well. So as to make everything cool. Turn on this. So good. I believe we all learned something from here. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Just save with Ultra, and your format should be in PNG, and don't merge at all so as not to lose quality. Thanks for watching.